हाय गाइस, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। सो आज हम आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाले हैं आप मुंबई टू आलपुरा कैसे ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। So there are three ways of transport. First is by flight. From Mumbai you can fly to Cochin International Airport, which is the nearest one to Alappuzha. As soon as you reach Cochin, you can take a cab or bus to Alappuzha, which will take around 2 hours. Second is by express train, which is the cheapest way. You can travel from express train where the price starts from 700 rupees and will take around 24 to 26 hours to reach. Third is by car. So if you have a car, you can drive by yourself to Alappuzha, or you can also book a cab. So you can choose the way of transport according to your time, your comfortability and your budget. Keep watching this video to know more about price and amenities. There are three types of houseboats available in Alappuzha: Deluxe houseboats, premium houseboats, luxury houseboats. You can book houseboat for overnight or only for a day. Houseboats with 1 bedroom to 10 bedrooms are available depending upon your requirements. You will get both veg and non-veg. If you want only vegetarian food, then you can inform them before you reach. You will get welcome drinks, lunch, evening snacks, dinner and breakfast. Best time to visit Allappuzha is early summers or monsoon season. So here are the top tourist attractions to see in Allappuzha. You can visit Allappuzha Beach. If you are visiting Alappuzha in the month of August to October, it is the best time you can enjoy snake boat race. You can visit Amballapuzha Sree Krishna Swamy temple. It is an Indian Hindu temple dedicated to Krishna at Amballapuzha. The temple is believed to have been built during 15th century AD by the local ruler Chembagesheri Puradam Tirunal Devanarayana Tamburan. Next is Allappuzha Lighthouse. It is situated in the coastal town of Allappuzha. It was built in 1862 and is a major tourist attraction. Next place to visit is Marari Beach. It is the perfect vacation spot for families and couples. Shining with golden sands and lined with palm trees, the beach spells beautiful in all its forms. Another attraction is Vembanad Lake. It is the longest lake in India. Taking a houseboat on the lake could be a fun experience. You can also do kayaking. It is one of the famous activity in Alappuzha, which is located on the Lakadweep Sea. Visitors often kayak here in the backwaters of Kerala, where one can see cormorant and kingfishers. Here are few of the resorts and stays we have found near to backwaters. Palmgrove Lake Resort, Ayana's Homestay, Punamada Resort. You can book your houseboats online. There are different websites available through which you can make your bookings. Price of the houseboats start from 8,000 and it varies according to your bookings and your requirements. Hope this video will be helpful to all the viewers out there who are planning to travel from Mumbai to Alappuzha.